Hello, I'm Giovanni with Max Life Sewer Cleaning Tools. I'll be talking about our debris catcher basket and our grit catcher basket, some of our all-time sellers. Right here, what I have with me is our debris catcher basket. It's made of flat expanded sheet metal. It has a half-inch vertical stop rod in the back to prevent it from entering the pipeline further while jetting. So it's like a support system in the back section. And as you can see, it's able to be mounted with the fiberglass quick connect system. You simply lower it onto the bottom of the manhole. You begin jetting. Water will flow through the half-inch holes on the debris catcher basket. And once it's filled up with the objects that you may find in the sewer line, it could be anything from rags, roots. It will eventually get filled up, and you simply dump it out once it's above the manhole, and you lower it again, and you resume operation. The next item we have is our grid catcher basket. It's half debris catcher in the top section. The lower section uses a half moon design. It collects the same rags, roots, the other objects you may find, same as the debris catcher basket. But the nice thing about this, the half moon design collects the fine grit and sand that you may find in the pipeline. Some cities are mainly concerned of that, so that's always an option that we have in our system. It's connected with the polyrope system, or it's available with our quick connect fiberglass pull system. The choice is yours, and you can check out our website. Thank you.